everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a spoon on the 24 block Rubik's Twist. Okay, it is very easy. So basically you have to start off on any side, but you have to make sure that there's a point on the top, and then you have to look at it from this top, and then you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have to turn that way, so backwards. Okay, and next you have to grab this entire long piece and turn it down, or in other words, turn this black piece down. Okay, now you have it like this. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get this black piece, so you're gonna leave that gray piece. You're gonna get this black piece, and you're gonna turn it to the left, like that. So, or to the left or to the down, and then you have something that looks like that. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to count 1, 2, and then you have to. Okay, so you have to count like 1, 2, 3, and then this fourth piece you have to turn it towards you, like that. Okay. And then now, so looking at it from this way, now we have this one, and then you have to turn the second piece back into like the rest of the structure. Okay, and then now looking at it from this top, you have to count one piece, and then you have to turn that gray one, you have to turn it towards that, so like towards that line, like, so turn it towards that, like that, and then it won't align perfectly, but so after this move it will. So once you've got that, you need to count 1, 2, 3, and then turn this fourth one outwards. So turn it outwards, and then now you'll notice that that one aligns again. So now you have something that looks like this. Okay, and then you're gonna count 1 and turn this gray piece towards you. Okay, and then so down here, you're gonna count 1 and turn this black piece towards you again. So it looks like this. And then now, what we have to do is we have to, count over here. So 1, 2, 3, and then turn, actually no, just get the last bit and turn it to the left. So turn it like that. And then next, get this gray bit right there and turn it down. And this blue bit will match up with that red bit when you do that. And there you go, you have your spoon. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And it is like a little wobbly, but like when you hold it together, it looks good. So bye, see you in my next video.